All the parables and wisdoms of God which He opens for the guidance of human beings always relate to common and natural phenomena, so that every creature on earth can confront them and gain wisdom from them. He does not mention such changes, events, and unnatural phenomena that require a special kind of life, a special kind of knowledge, and a special kind of attitude to see and understand. Rather, every one of His teaching relates to such common and purely natural situations that by listening to them, a shepherd in the forest and a philosopher among civilized populations can both find the truth of God with equal effects. So, if you have not studied philosophy and wisdom, if you have not acquired the valuable of an observatory to see the heavenly bodies, if you have not experienced the properties of matter, if you have not spent years in any university, if you are in the desert, if you are sitting on the top of the mountains, if only a hatched roof and a broken wall of bamboo have come to you to live, and thus you do not know that how to see God in the strange stars of the sky, and how to find His beauty in the mixture and appearance of the elements and particles of creation, so that you are human beings, you have been given a soul, and you live on earth in every change of the sky, in every part of the cloud, in every gust of wind, in every drop of rain. You remember your God, His wisdom and power, His grace and mercy. You can see and find His mercy, His dear love. Who is among you who hasn't seen the sky through the eyes of hope and hasn't sought His lost hope within its lightning flashes and thunder clouds?